Ever wonder why some people can effortlessly persuade others while most struggle? The secret lies in understanding dark psychology, using hidden tactics to influence and control. It's not just about being charming, it's about mastering subtle, powerful techniques that give you an edge in any conversation. Ready to discover how these methods can make you a master of influence? Ever noticed how simply giving a reason can make people more likely to comply with your request? This is the power of because. Even a simple explanation, like "I need to cut in line because I'm in a hurry," can significantly increase your chances getting what you want. The word because taps into our innate desire for justification, making it an essential tool in personal development. Imagine using this to improve social skills or boost your confidence by offering a rationale for your actions or decisions, leading others to see you as more decisive and proactive. Applying this technique can optimize your existence by creating smoother interactions in daily life, fostering better relationships, and even reducing anxiety. When you give a reason, you're subtly influencing others' psychology and encouraging them to see things from your perspective. So next time you need something, remember to add that because. A small change, but it can lead to big results in your journey towards self-improvement. Did you know that setting high expectations for yourself and others can actually lead to improved performance? This phenomenon, known as the Pygmalion effect, is a powerful testament to the impact of belief and expectation on personal growth. If you think about it, this aligns perfectly with Stoicism and Essentialism, focusing on what truly matters and believing in the potential to achieve it. When you expect greatness, you're not just motivating yourself or others, you're actively shaping the outcome. Imagine a manager who believes in their team's potential to excel, or a teacher who sees the best in every student. Their belief becomes a self-fulfilling prophecy, driving everyone to meet those expectations. This concept is a cornerstone in self-development and personal success, as it reinforces the idea that mental well-being and self-knowledge are deeply intertwined with the goals we set. By understanding and utilizing the Pygmalion effect, you can unlock a new level of proactivity and focus on growth in your life. Failure isn't the end, it's just a stepping stone towards personal success. By reframing failure as a chance to learn and grow, you can develop resilience and a more positive mindset. This perspective shift is crucial in self-improvement because it transforms setbacks into valuable experiences. Instead of seeing a failed attempt as a reason to give up, view it as an opportunity to refine your approach. Just like Nietzsche and Schopenhauer suggested, embracing life's challenges is key to personal growth and mental well-being. Imagine trying to improve social skills, facing rejection or awkwardness. Instead of feeling defeated, use these experiences to learn what works and what doesn't. By focusing on growth rather than on the immediate result, you're not just improving, you're becoming stronger, more resilient, and better equipped to handle life's ups and downs. Remember, every failure is just another step toward mastery. Ever noticed how a single positive trait can color your entire perception of someone? This is the halo effect at play. When we see someone excel in one area, we tend to assume they're great in others too. Think of how a confident person can seem more knowledgeable, or how a kind gesture can make someone appear more trustworthy. This effect is a powerful tool in self-development and personal success, as it shows the importance of creating a strong first impression. You can use the halo effect to your advantage by honing a particular skill or trait that stands out. Maybe it's being exceptionally disciplined, as Stoicism often suggests, or showing genuine empathy, which could improve your social skills. When you excel in one area, people are more likely to view you positively in other areas too. The halo effect is a subtle but potent way to influence how others perceive you, ultimately boosting your personal growth and self-confidence. Ever felt the rush to make a decision when time is running out? That's the power of time constraints. Setting a deadline can prompt quicker decisions and motivate action, helping you to stay focused on growth. This is especially useful in self-improvement, where procrastination often stands in the way of achieving personal success. By creating a sense of urgency, you can push yourself and others to act more decisively. Consider setting a deadline for your personal development goals or even implementing a digital detox. Knowing there's a limited window to complete a task can heighten focus and reduce distractions, much like digital minimalism encourages. It's about using time constraints to optimize your existence, encouraging proactivity, and fostering a sense of achievement as you meet those deadlines. Seeing the world through someone else's eyes can be a game changer in personal development. Perspective taking encourages empathy and improves problem-solving skills, allowing you to connect more deeply with others. Imagine a scenario where understanding a colleague's point of view could help resolve a workplace conflict, or where stepping into a friend's shoes could strengthen your relationship. By practicing this, you can enhance your mental well-being and improve social skills, making you more adaptable and understanding. This skill isn't just about being nice, it's a strategic advantage. When you can anticipate how others feel and think, you're better equipped to navigate complex social situations and make decisions that benefit everyone involved. It's a practical approach to becoming a better person, as it aligns closely with the philosophy of empathy and compassion in action. So next time you're faced with a challenging interaction, try shifting your perspective. It might just open up new avenues for personal growth and self-knowledge. The contrast principle is all about showcasing differences to highlight your preferred option. Imagine you're shopping for a new gadget, and the salesperson shows you a high-end model first, followed by a mid-range one. Suddenly, the mid-range option seems like a bargain. This principle is a powerful tool in psychology and can be applied to self-development as well. For instance, by contrasting your past self, your current achievements, you can motivate yourself to continue focusing on growth and personal success. Think about the choices you make daily, what you eat, how you spend your time, or even whom you spend it with. By deliberately contrasting these options, you gain clarity and make better decisions aligned with your goals, optimizing your existence or reducing anxiety through digital detox. It's a subtle yet impactful way to steer your life towards self-improvement and better mental well-being. Have you ever felt a special attachment to something just because you built it yourself? That's the IKEA effect in action. We tend to value things more highly when we've invested our time and effort into creating them. This principle is incredibly motivating in personal development. It shows that the hard work you put into improving yourself, whether it's mastering a new skill or developing healthier habits, adds immense value to your personal growth journey. Think about it. When you invest time into reading about stoicism or learning how to be more confident, that effort makes the knowledge stick. You're not just passively consuming information, you're actively participating in your own self-development. This makes the benefits of your hard work more tangible and rewarding. Remember, the more you put in, the more you get out. Keep investing in yourself. Ever wondered why you sometimes end up choosing an option that wasn't even on your radar? This is the decoy effect at play. A psychological tactic where introducing a third, less attractive option makes one of the original choices more appealing. Imagine you're deciding between two products, and a third, pricier option is added that isn't significantly better. Suddenly, the mid-price choice seems more reasonable. This effect is used everywhere, from marketing to personal choices, subtly guiding us towards specific decisions. In personal development, understanding the decoy effect can help you make more mindful decisions. Instead of falling for this tactic, take a step back and evaluate your choices based on your true needs and goals, such as optimizing your existence or improving social skills. By being aware of how external factors influence your decisions, you can maintain focus on your personal growth and self-improvement without being swayed by superficial options. The placebo effect is a fascinating psychological phenomenon where believing in the effectiveness of something, whether it's a pill, a routine, or a motivational speech, can actually enhance its success. Think about it. If you truly believe that a new habit will improve your life, you're more likely to see positive results. This effect highlights the power of mindset and suggests that our beliefs can shape our reality. It's a critical aspect of self-development and mental well-being, emphasizing that what we think can significantly impact how we feel and act. Imagine applying the placebo effect to your daily routine. If you genuinely believe that practicing stoicism or engaging in dopamine fasting will lead to a better, more disciplined life, you're more likely to follow through and experience those benefits. The key takeaway here is that your mindset can be a powerful tool in achieving personal success and improving your overall well-being. Harness the power of belief to fuel your journey of self-improvement. Loss aversion is a powerful motivator. It's the idea that people prefer to avoid losses rather than acquire equivalent gains. In other words, the fear of losing something can be a stronger driving force than the prospect of gaining something of equal value. This principle can be incredibly effective in motivating action, whether it's pushing yourself to stick to a new habit or encouraging others to take a necessary step. It's closely tied to anxiety and depression, as the fear of losing control or missing out can often lead to inaction. To use this to your advantage in personal development, consider framing your goals around what you stand to lose if you don't take action. For example, instead of focusing on the benefits of digital minimalism, think about what you could lose: time, mental clarity, and even personal success if you remain overwhelmed by digital distractions. This shift in perspective can spur you into action, making you more proactive and focused on growth. Did you know that a light, appropriate touch can create a sense of connection and increase compliance? The power of touch is a subtle but effective tool in building rapport and trust. A friendly pat on the back or a gentle touch on the arm can make others more receptive to your requests or ideas. This tactic taps into a deep psychological need for human connection, enhancing your ability to influence and persuade in a non-verbal way. Incorporating this into your daily interactions can improve your social skills and foster a sense of empathy and understanding. Imagine the impact of using this approach in your personal and professional life. You're not just communicating with words, but also through meaningful physical gestures. The powerful reminder that sometimes the simplest actions can have the most profound effects on personal development and relationship building. Ever thought admitting a minor fault could actually make you more likable? That's the foot-in-mouth effect, where acknowledging a small mistake or shortcoming makes you appear more human and relatable. This approach can be particularly effective in building trust and rapport, as it demonstrates honesty and vulnerability. In a world where everyone strives for perfection, admitting you're not perfect can set you apart, making others feel more comfortable around you. Imagine you're giving a presentation and admit that you're a bit nervous. Suddenly, the audience is on your side, cheering you on. This tactic can improve your confidence by allowing you to embrace imperfection as part of the human experience. It aligns with the philosophy of personal growth, acknowledging where you are and using it as a stepping stone to where you want to be. So, next time, don't be afraid to put your foot in your mouth a little. It might just bring you closer to your goals. Ever noticed how we tend to value things more simply because we own them? This is the endowment effect in action. Whether it's a physical object, a project you've worked on, or even an idea you've developed, we place a higher value on things that feel like they belong to us. This principle can be a powerful tool in personal development, helping you understand why you might hold on to certain habits, routines, or beliefs, even when they no longer serve you. To use the endowment effect for personal growth, try reevaluating what you're holding on to in life. Are these things genuinely contributing to your well-being and success, or are they simply familiar? By questioning your attachments and focusing on growth, you can make more conscious choices that align with your current goals and aspirations. Remember, sometimes letting go is just as important as holding on when it comes to optimizing your existence.